with Mann Lake. We're going to be discussing overwintering your bees in central United States. You may have noticed our temperatures within our region have started to drop and plummet at this time, so you should have already removed your mite treatments and your liquid feed. If you've noticed that your hive may be light on the amount of stored honey for winterization, you may want to move forward with some pro-winter feed or even some sugar cakes at this time. The pro-winter feed is extremely easy to use by smearing some onto a piece of wax paper and applying that to top bars. During these winter months, you're going to notice that with the drop in temperatures, you need to close your screen bottom board, either using a debris board or the mite count board itself, or you may even want to swap to a solid bottom board. Either one are very beneficial in keeping the draft out of the hive. One of my favorite tools in beekeeping for winter is our moisture board. We sell those in 8 frame and in 10 frame. The moisture board is going to collect excess moisture from the hive with fluctuating temperatures. You're going to apply that on top of the hive, right on top of your inner cover and right below your outer cover. Making sure you don't open your hive again until it's over 50 degrees and a sunny day. You're going to want to swap out those moisture boards every so often so that they can collect excess moisture during that time period. The other thing you're going to want to close up is going to be your entrance reducer, making sure you close that off to the smallest toe and adding your favorite mouse guard. Mine happens to be our stainless steel that we sell in 8 frame and 10 frame. It works not only for the solid bottom board, but also the screened slanted bottom board also. That covers your inner defenses on your hive itself. For an external defense for larger predators, an electric fence is great to add. I prefer to use a solar fence because my bee yard is not located near my home or an electrical source. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and be sure to check out our Bella the Bee bot on our website. Thank you.